Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file to a STL file format. So basically STL stands for stereolithography. So it is a file in the industry standard file format used for 3D printing and computer aided design, which is CAD. So it is majorly used for 3D printing only. It stores the 3D model data using a mesh of continuous triangles, facets that def- defines the object surface geometry. So basically, this which we have selected, not the inner part but the outer part of the model uh, is the geometry which is converted into a triangle mesh, and then it is converted into an STL file. So basically how to do that in SketchUp is very easy. You select the whole model, you group it. So basically in SketchUp it is not like Rhino that you select the particular model and then you basically export the model. It is not like that. In this, the whole model will only get exported, the like the whole surface of the model. So after doing that, you go to file, then you go to export. Under the option of export, you select 3D model. Under 3D model, in the save as type, you select the STL format, which is the stereolithography file, which is STL file, and just press on export. Under a few seconds, your SketchUp file will be converted into STL file. You can simply go and check it on the file location. You simply go to the file location and you do is refresh, and here your STL file is ready. So this is how easy it is to convert a SketchUp file into a STL file format. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.